So first thing that you need to do is you need to open up or create a text box. So you're going to go to the left side and select text. Then go to this purple option where it says add a text box. Then you are going to type in a specific number. I'm going to use 2 and I'm going to change the font. So you highlight it, then go to the top here where it says Canva Sans. That's going to be selected as a default text. Choose one that fits your specific design. Now, what you need to do is you need to download the image. So go to the top right corner, then select share, and then go to download. After selecting download, make sure that you've chosen transparent background. After it's ticked, go to the bottom and select download. Afterwards, head over to this website at splitter.imageonline.co and scroll down, and you're going to upload that same image of that number. So I'm going to drag it and drop it here. So after you're done uploading the image, if you go to the bottom here, you'll see a drop-down option. It's going to say vertical 1x2. If you select it, you can also split the image into the horizontal position, vertical, or you can also split it into pieces. So I'm going to select that. And then you can also choose how many rows and columns you want. I'm going to change it from 3 to 2 for both sides. Then once you're done, you're going to go to the right here, then select split image. And you're going to hit this green button where it says download zip. So after you've extracted the zip folder, you'll notice that there are going to be like at least 4 to 5 images. If you select one of the images, you'll notice that the images has been split into pieces. Now what you need to do is you need to create a separate page. So go to the bottom, then select add page. You are going to drag in your first image. So number 1, drag it into the canvas. Afterwards, go to the left side and then go to apps. Type in frame maker. Then select the first option. Go to the bottom and select open. So we're not going to be doing anything in the create tab. You're going to go to convert, and this is going to allow us to turn our image into a frame. And then you're going to go to the bottom here and select try frame maker pro. Once you're done creating your account, go to the bottom here where it says convert design to frame. And then you can also change the size. Go to the area where it says transparent background and make sure that it is ticked. And then go to the bottom and select export. Now here where it says selected pages, you're going to select the drop-down option and make sure that you only select these specific pieces. So I'm going to start with this one where it says page 2, then select done and select export. As you can see here, this is our frame. And what you do next is you are going to drag in the frame and make sure that it fits correctly to this specific number. Then you're going to do the same thing with the other pieces. So delete the old one and then add in another piece. Then go back to frame maker and select convert design to frame. Select transparent background. Then where it says select the pages, make sure you only select the page where the piece has been placed. Then select export. Once you're done, simply delete the second page and then try to delete the number 2 or the specific number in the background. Now I changed the color so that you guys could see the frames more clearly. So I'm going to select the background and then go to position, then delete the number 2. So all we need to do now is add in specific images to our frames. So we're going to go to the left side, scroll up, and then go to elements, and then look for a specific image that you want to drag and drop into the frames. And there you go.